back to my channel BONGNETIC, and I'm Pallavi with you guys again. So today is gonna be again a review video. I know I'm doing a review video like a lot more because I've got really new stuffs and I just thought to review it with you guys. So today the thing which I'm going to review is the newly launched by COLORBAR. It is their Sinful Matte Lipstick. It's so amazing. Just one word, it's amazing. Firstly, okay, so if you want to see the full review, you need to watch to the end, and if you want to see the swatch, it's just coming right now. Always start with the packaging. So first let me just tell you about the packaging. The packaging is super amazing. It is the packaging just like the lip crayon that they had launched, and it has a velvety texture, like velvety finish if you can see, and it also has like it's a cardboard box and it has a magnetic closure, like you can see it has a magnetic closure, and the color coding is just written over here. You can see the color coding is here, the name is written here, CORSET, and I've just got one because you know it's too expensive, but I need to say it's worth the money. And so guys, if you don't know, then this retails for ₹1200 and this comes in 24 shades. I've got one because it's too expensive. I am just a student, I get my pocket money and that's what when I buy. So you cannot buy more. And this is the shade I'm wearing. It's super pretty. It's a pink nude shade with hints of brown. It's super nice. And the inner packaging is just like this. It's like a gunmetal finish, and this also has a magnetic closure, so you can like be relieved that your lipstick is going to be protected. This feels so luxurious, and it also has a weight. Like when you hold it in your hand, you can just tell like, yes, I am holding a lipstick. Like it feels so luxurious. Like just see the packaging. I'm in love with the packaging. It's so nice. And also this lipstick is paraben free, cruelty free as well. So it's nice. Let me talk about the bullet lipstick from inside. Like you can see, like it has like a velvety finish, and I don't know if it's an overspray, but I think it's an overspray because when I used like this part, the velvety finish, it just removed. So I think it's an overspray. But this lipstick is just to look at it, just stare at it. It's so gorgeous. Like it's super gorgeous. It says that it's matte, and but I would say like, but it looks really matte. You can see it looks really matte, but it doesn't feel matte. It feels so smooth, so butter. Like बोलते हैं like मक्खन जैसा, बिल्कुल वैसा है. Like it feels that good. And it's also not a like velvety matte or a glossy matte. You cannot see any glossy thing. Like it's not a lot glossy, and it's pure matte, but it just not dries your lips. Not a like velvety matte or a glossy matte. You cannot see any glossy thing. Like it's not a lot glossy, and it's pure matte, but it just not dries your lips. So I just love this lipstick because I do not like drying out lipsticks. It's so irritating. It just feels like you've worn a cement on your lips. I don't like it at all. And as you see in this swatch, it just absolutely glides on like you're putting butter on a bread, like those hot melted butter on the bread, and it's that easy to glide out on your lips. And you just don't need any tugging or tagging, like you just don't to rub it like it's so tough, nothing like that. It's so easy to wear. So they say that they contain beeswax as well as sea funnel wax. I didn't know what is sea funnel wax, so I just thought to research a little bit. It's a plant which helps to protect your skin, to like moisturize your skin, and it's really great for your skin. So I'm really happy that they have infused all the good things in it. Maybe that's why it's a little bit pricier, but when you like hear like this good things are in your product, like the product you're using, it just gives that sukoon, like happiness, that sukoon, like yeah, I'm using good stuff. Power is quite good. I would say like not too lasting, neither like very less. It's quite good. It lasts for almost 4 to 5 hours, and by the way, this does transfer a lot. You can see like maybe the light is not capturing, but it does transfer quite a lot. But it's fine, not like the other lipsticks, so it's fine. I'm not having any problem like getting this amazing colors, and the colors of this range are super nice. So go ahead and check, and especially when they have off. Actually, I bought this when they were having a 20% off, like to end of June almost, or mid of June. They were having 20% off, so I bought that time, and I got this in 950 rupees. So you can also buy at those time. Nykaa has some other deals or something like that. COLORBAR, its own official website, has deals, amazing deals, and if you are new buyer in that website, you will get flat 20% off. So go ahead and get one shade for you as well. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, that was all about the review of this lipstick. I hope you liked it, and I hope you didn't get bored of my blabbering a lot about this lipstick, because I'm in love with this lipstick, and especially I'm in love with this shade. This is now going to be my go-to shade. So yeah, that is all about this review. Don't forget to share my video with your friends, give a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Ta-da!